Hi, I'm Sonja and I am here with a fun Ulta Skincare unboxing. I first thing want to apologize. I've been kind of sporadic when it comes to making videos. I moved from Arizona to Massachusetts, and the past 3 months of my life have been crazy. I had a ton of videos that I had done in Arizona that I never got edited and posted, and then I had a bunch that I did in the hotel that we lived in for the first month that we moved to Massachusetts. And lots of the videos in Arizona and that hotel are just not relevant anymore, so I'm not even gonna post them. And then I had some that I tried to do here in the house that we moved into, and I've just had so many problems. I don't have really a place to do videos. I'm crammed in the corner of my bedroom. Like, my lighting's been off, and then I had a whole problem with like my last FabFitFun box I got. I did a whole video for it and the whole file got corrupted. It's been just a mess. So I hope I'm back on track now, and I have this Ulta Skincare unboxing that I want to do because I've had this box sitting here. I actually have a few boxes sitting here and I really want to share it. Plus I need to start using this skincare. So let's get into this box. Now the first thing is I have one product that I actually did not get from Ulta, but I'm grouping it in this box, and this is actually from Juice Beauty. I've heard so many good things about Juice Beauty, and of course everything that I look for and use is vegan and cruelty free, and I really wanted to try something. It's just the products from Juice Beauty tend to be a little bit on the pricier side, but I ended up deciding I wanted to try this cleanser. This is the Juice Beauty Prebiotics Coconut Plus Aloe Cleansing Cream. So this I was really excited to try, and here's the bottle, and let's try it out. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I really like the way it smells, and it feels good. I'm so excited to try this. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. I'm going to try it tonight because I am almost out of my Pacifica cleanser. So I am excited to have a new cleansing cream. It says a gentle, creamy formula with coconut and aloe. Deeply cleanses and removes makeup, revealing smoother skin. So I'm really excited to try that. Now I actually think I have 2 cleansers. Yeah, I bought 2 cleansers. So I don't know why I did that, but I think I was just so excited about a couple different ones. So I also have this Crave Beauty. Maybe this is the one I got separate. One of these I didn't actually get with my Ulta box, and one of them I got separate. And I actually think this is what I got separately, was from Crave Beauty. And I was really excited about the Crave Beauty. It's the Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. And I've heard really good things about this, and I think I just wanted to try it. So it all opens up like this. So the packaging for this product uses post-consumer recycled plastic. The good thing is it's made from plastic that already exists, and of course this is vegan and cruelty free, and I don't know, I've just heard lots of really good things about this, so I'm really excited to try it. So let's get some out and see what it's like. Sorry, I'm closer to my camera than what I used to be, so I put my hand up. My hand's right there. Oh, it's really thick. It's like super thick. It's like kind of jelly. It's like, I don't know. It doesn't have a strong scent of anything. It just smells really good, and I'm really actually excited to use that. Now I have to decide which one should I use tonight. I actually think I'm gonna go with the Crave Beauty because I've heard tons of good things about Crave Beauty, so I'm really excited to try that. Okay, I wasn't sure about this. This is the Ulta Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I don't know if I should have gotten this. it seemed really cool, and I was really excited. I saw another YouTuber use it and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it. So I placed my order and then I read the reviews. Why I did that, I don't know, but I know it burned a lot of people. Like their eyes, it wasn't the best for them. So I don't know how it will be for me. This is how it looks. It doesn't really have, oh, it feels really cool and it like glides on my hand really easy. It doesn't really have a scent and it feels really nice. I kind of like this just because I was afraid with it being in like a stick formula that it was going to be something that would drag on my skin and pull it, but this is so smooth it wouldn't do that at all. So I'm actually really excited to try this. Maybe this won't be too bad. I don't know. We'll try it and I'll let you know what I think, but this is kind of cool, right? Okay, so the next is face moisturizer plus CBD Happy Dance. And I've seen Kristen Bell like you know, talk about this, and I love Cassandra, what's her name, Bankson? Is that her last name? She's here on YouTube. I'll put a link for her. And she saw Kristen Bell do her skincare routine, and she said that there was nothing bad about this. This looked like a great moisturizer. So I'm like, I want to try it. I've wanted to try this for quite some time. And so I was just like, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Why not? I don't know. It has like a scent to it. Not like anything that's a soothing scent, but not anything that's a bad scent. It's just, it's a smell. It's super thick. I think this will be like a really nice nighttime moisturizer. I don't know how this will be for daytime, how it would sit under the skin, but it feels really good. It's like really thick. I mean, it's super thick. And this could probably even be used around your eyes. It's so thick. It feels really nice. And again, I was almost out of my Pacifica evening moisturizer, so this for sure came at the right time. I'm excited to try that. Let me see if there's anything on the packaging that you should know about. Yeah, and this is vegan and cruelty free, obviously. It says it's dermatologist tested. It's powered by avocado aloe, hyaluronic acid, and full spectrum CBD. This moisturizer revives dull, tired skin, leaving it soft, supple, and looking alive. So it says to use it morning and night. I don't know if I'll use it for daytime. We'll see. I'll use it tonight, see how it feels, and then I'll go from there. So, okay. Now next, this isn't skincare. This is just something I got. I have not really wanted to be like totally into the whole Kardashian, Jenner makeup and skincare too much, just because like while their products are vegan and cruelty free, I don't know. I just didn't want to support those brands too much. But I got a Kylie Cosmetics blush and I'm actually wearing it now and I love it. I hate to say it, but I really, really, really love it. So I ended up, because I don't have like all of like the best brow products that I love yet, so I decided to get its Kylie Brow. It's like the set, and try it and see. So in this came a little brow pencil. Oh, it's very small to make those small little strokes, I guess. There it is. And let's see, does the other end have anything? Yeah, the other end has a little spoolie, and then it has a gel. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I like this packaging better than I liked the Kylie blush. Kylie blush just looked like, I don't know, something for a small child or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna try that out and we'll see how I like it. But with purchasing that, they were having a promotion at the same time to try the Kylie Skin SPF. And of course it's vegan. So this is broad spectrum SPF 40 face sunscreen. So it's cruelty free, vegan, paraben free. I really think I read this was reef safe, but I don't actually see it anywhere on the box. Let's see. It's formulated with shea butter, kiwi seed oil, vitamins A, C, and E for added hydration without feeling greasy. I don't know. What I do know is this. Again, I saw one of Cassandra's videos where she talked about this sunscreen, and she said it is very similar to Supergoop face sunscreen. Very similar to Supergoop face sunscreen. That's amazing. And she said this sunscreen looks amazing as well, but she said, you know, it's the same thing, like where your morals stand of what you want to use, because supposedly this is kind of like almost like a rip-off of the Supergoop. So I don't know, but it was free, so we'll try it. It is like clear-ish, and it does feel really silky and smooth. I don't know, we'll try it out. Currently right now, the face SPF that I'm using is Black Girl Sunscreen. This is SPF 45, and I love this. I love it because it's a Black owned business, it's a woman owned business, and this is made specifically for people of color, but everybody can use it. But it is the same thing, that is clear, it's a gel, so you don't get any white casting left on your face if you're a person of color. But I love this, and it works so good under my makeup, and it's really hydrating, and I really, 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 really love this sunscreen, this SPF. So I don't know, we'll try the Kylie Skin SPF out and see, but I do recommend this one very much so. Okay, so that's everything I have here. I'm gonna start to use these products. Like I said, I don't know, maybe I'll put one of these in the shower and one of them by my sink, so that way I can see how both of these products work, these cleansers, since I got two. And I'll let you guys know in a couple of weeks what I think and how they're working for me. And that's all I have for right now. But if you would please like and subscribe, I would so appreciate it. Click the little bell so that way you get notifications whenever I post a new video, and hopefully everything goes well with me editing this video and it will be up. And if this one goes well, that means I can post other videos, and I will start to be more regular with them because I have a bunch of fun stuff here to show you. And I was supposed to get my FabFitFun box yesterday, and I don't know where it is. Well, I do. It's in Illinois for some reason instead of being in Massachusetts. So as soon as my FabFitFun box gets here, I will review it and get that up right away for you. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.